In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add descriptions to Airtable forms, so your respondents always know exactly what to fill in and why. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to Airtable. You'll want to log into your account by clicking the Login button in the top right corner. Once you're in, open the base that contains the form you want to edit. This is the workspace where all your tables and records live, so just click on the base name from your dashboard. Now at the very top of the screen, you'll see a tab labeled Forms. Go ahead and click that. This opens the Form Manager view, where you can see all the forms connected to your current base. Select the specific form you want to work on by clicking its name or thumbnail. Once your form is open for editing, look directly below the form name field at the top of the page. You should see an option that says Add Description. Click that, and a text box will appear. This is where you'll type your description. Keep it clear and concise. Maybe a sentence or two explaining what the form is for, any deadlines or instructions for the respondent. For example, you might write, "Please fill out this form to request time off. All fields marked with an asterisk are required." After you've entered your text, take a moment to review it for accuracy. Double check for typos or confusing wording, because this is the first thing someone reads when they open your form. Next, make sure to save your changes. Airtable often autosaves, but it's good practice to look for the Save button or simply click away from the text box to confirm. Now, preview your form to ensure the description appears correctly. You can usually find a preview button in the top toolbar, or you can open the form in a new tab to see exactly what your respondents will see. If everything looks good, go ahead and publish the updated form. This makes your changes live, so anyone with the link will see the new description immediately. Adding a description really helps set expectations and guides people through the submission process without confusion. You've now made your Airtable form clearer and more professional, all in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.